Hello, peeps, and welcome to another Power Packed Phillips podcast. If you would, please make yourself a note somewhere. Your homework tonight is to make sure that you are working on your 10-question packet. Your 10-question packet will be due this Friday. For those of you who did not join us in online tutoring, please remember you can log into Blackboard, click on the recorded online session, and you can watch our recorded online session where we did problems 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Don't forget, be working on your packet. Alrighty. If you would, please write down in your notes/homework spiral. This is going to be lesson 3.8 again. This is going to be part 4. We are still working on rewriting equations and formulas. Please write down the equation 3 plus 6x equals 11 minus 4y. Write it down. Let's go. Slacker jacks. The directions say write the equation so that y is a function of x. Well, if you're like me, when I see that, yeah, I'm lost, confused, unsure, unclear, perplexed, disoriented, bewildered. Nice vocabulary words. Share those with Miss Turpin or Miss Saunders or Mrs. Sponda. They'll be proud of you. I'm thinking I need to hit the easy button when I see these directions, and the easy button will be like, we're gonna make this problem as easy as it was for Da Bears. Nice. Highlight of the night. So I'm thinking we're gonna hit the easy button just like the Bears hit the easy button. And we are going to say, when you see this problem, rewrite the equation to show that y is a tornado. So when they ask you to rewrite the equation so y is a function of x, hit the easy button like the Bears did. You are going to rewrite the equation to show that y is the tornado. So, gotta get our sound effects. Nice. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to label our tornado. That's going to be our y. Now, a couple different ways you could approach this problem. In my limited wisdom, power, knowledge, I don't want to have to deal with a negative 4y or a negative tornado, because OMG, this right here is like dealing with a negative tornado. Oh my gosh, this is like the mother of all mothers. We don't want to have to deal with a negative y or a really super bad tornado. So I'm thinking, since I don't want to work with the negative 4y, I will move the negative y to the other side. Not the only way to do the problem, but that's the way the crazy math teacher is going to do it. Now, Mr. Phillips, you can't move the tornado across the line. Sure you can. You're just going to, where is it? You are simply going to do this. Force field, deactivate it. And you're going to turn your force field off, and then you can move the tornado across. See? It's the easy button, like the Bears last night. Da Bears. I'm going to add 4y to both sides. These will cancel. Bada bing, bada boom. They're gone. Notice over on this side, magic pen. I have a 3, I have a 6x, and I have a 4y. I cannot combine any of these. They are not like terms. No variables, variable of x, variable of y. They are not the same. So I am simply going to rewrite the problem going sideways. So I have 3 plus 6x plus 4y equals 11. Remember that y is our tornado. Now, the tornado is going to try to take out the 6x and is going to try to take out that 3. So, let's see. This is like a star. This is like a star. This is like a heart. Your choice. I, personally, would try to put these stars together first. I would put those stars together first. BRB. Gotta go call Jay Cutler to congratulate him on his win last night. Okay, I'm going to move everything away from this tornado so they don't get destroyed. Death, mayhem, destruction. You're so weird. I'm going to move this 3 away from the tornado to the other side. Remember that when you move across the fence, you do the opposite of what District 12 tells you. So those of you who are thinking, this is a SPY for the positives. I'm going to do the opposite, which is to subtract. 11 minus 3 gives me 8. These, that's annoying, knock it off. Cross each other out. Now, I am going to rewrite my equation. I have 6x plus 4y equals 8. Oh, Jay Cutler's calling me back. BRB. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, he couldn't talk to me at the first time because he was talking to Brandon Marshall. Beast mode Monday night. Now, I'm going to move everything away from the tornado. So I'm going to move the 6x over to this side because if I don't, they are dead meat. Remember that he is a SPY for the positives. When I go across the line, I'm going to do the opposite. The opposite of what district tells me is to subtract 6x. These will cancel each other. Be very, very careful. Visual people, pay attention. This is a constant. Nice vocabulary. Bears. This is a coefficient and variable. One is a star, the other is a heart. You cannot put these together. There is no variable x here. So, I am going to rewrite the problem. Alright, I rewrote my equation. Notice that I cannot combine these. They are not like terms. I want to move everything away from the tornado. So now, it is time to get this 4 out of here. Otherwise, he is dead meat. Kind of like the Cowboys were Monday night. Nice. Remember that when the 4 is touching the y, that means to multiply. When I go across the fence, I'm going to do the opposite of what the district tells me to do. The opposite of multiplication is division. Fraction bar, fraction bar, fraction bar. I am going to divide everything by positive 4, or 4. Remember, on this step, you are going to divide every term by 4. You got to divide everything by 4. So visual people, I divide by 4 here. I divide by 4 here. I and you are going to divide by 4 there. Divide every term by 4. Okay, here we go. Easy button. These cancel each other. I'm left with y, which is my tornado. If you wanted to, yes, you could put 1y here, but you don't need to. You don't have to. This means 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So that's going to give me a 2 right there. And I'm going to be a thief and steal my equal sign. Now, watch very carefully. I am going to pretend that the x is not there. I'm going to pretend that the x isn't there. And I'm going to pretend like the negative isn't there. So I'm going to pretend 6 over 4. Is it really 6 over 4? No, but you get the point. I can divide both of them by 2. When I divide by 2, that's going to give me 3 over 2. So I have 3 over 2. Now you can stop pretending the Bears won on Monday night. This was a negative right here. This is going to be negative. And when I stick the negative in there, I just stick it between the 3 and the 2. They kind of share it. Now, I'm going to bring down my dog, Ruff, Ruff, who follows me everywhere I go. Just like the Bears followed Tony Romo everywhere he went. 5 picks. Nice job, Tony Romo. Is my tornado all by itself? Absolutely. My tornado is all by itself. So there you go. There's your answer. Thanks for watching. Good luck to the Bears on Sunday. See ya.